100 meters. Yohan Blake on the way brilliantly. Oblique Seville is coming forward. Yohan Blake gets the lead in Seville. 9.86. The beast strikes in Kingston. Yohan Blake delivers. The time has been adjusted to 9.85. Positive 0.0. Ladies and gentlemen, the second fastest man in history returns. Oh, what a performance. Some may be surprised, others maybe not. But my word, let's have a look at the place times. The focus for the moment is on the national champion, Yohan the Beast Blake. Well, he showed signs with his 10.05 into a negative wind earlier this season. Had a successful European tour. And well, he's arrived in Kingston in his very best form in a long, long time. Here's another look at it. Yohan Blake in lane number 5, alongside Akeem Blake in 4, Oblique Seville in lane number 3. Jelani Walker also finishing well on the outside. Yohan Blake ahead of Seville, Akeem Blake in 3rd. Jelani Walker comes to the fore in a big way as well. There's another look at it on the big screen. Seville in 3, Akeem Blake in 4, Yohan Blake in 5. Yohan Blake inching ahead in the closing stages. Never doubt a champion. Ladies and gentlemen, your national champion, Yohan Blake, deserves your applause once more. 9.85. When was the last time you heard 9.85? In Kingston, inside the National Stadium, by a Jamaican. Oblique Seville 9.88. That is a fine performance from him as well.